problem, in a nutshell, is that Laos is all mixed up. It has communist, neutralist, and royalist armies, plus the Royal Air Force, which recently bombed Royal Army headquarters. It has a king who can't be crowned because of his fortune tellers. The neutralist army were once part of the Royal Army, then fought against it, but now fight the communists. The communists have their own neutralists, who fight the original neutralists. Laos is a confusion of political solutions that don't work, and guns that do. And it's producing a confused and cynical population of hungry people who, faced by these weird realities, do their utmost to escape from becoming involved. We escaped honorably, we thought, through the Geneva Peace Agreements of 1962. Laos was left theoretically neutral, governed by a coalition of neutralists, communists, and conservatives. But the three-headed government never had a chance. When the communists could not dominate it, they wrecked it. Theoretically, the war in Laos was settled at the conference table. But in fact, the war goes on, and Laos stands a monument to the failure of a negotiated peace.